Sometimes when we are filling any form, they may ask to upload PDF file. Sometimes they will say PDF file size limit should not exceed this much of KB. The problem is that, for example, sometimes the PDF file in our hand will be of 1 MB and the maximum file size limit will be 100 KB or 200 KB. So we may want to convert that file size from 1 MB to below 200 KB or 100 KB. Anyways, in this video we are going to tell about how to reduce PDF file size without losing quality. For this you can use your laptop or mobile phone. In laptop and mobile phone you don't need to install any third-party application. First what you need to do is take your mobile phone or laptop. After that open any browser. In browser search for ilovepdf. When you are searching for ilovepdf you can see a result like this. Click on this ilovepdf.com result. Here you can see one option, compress PDF. Click on compress PDF. When you click on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see one option, select PDF file. Click on select PDF file. When you click on that, here you can see some options, camera and files. You should click on files. When you click on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the PDF file of which you want to reduce the size. For example, I am selecting this file. File size is 50.55 KB. Anyways, I am selecting this file. After selecting that file, here you can see one settings option. Click on this settings button. Here you can see some options. First option is extreme compression. If you want to reduce your PDF file to 90-95%, you can use this extreme compression, and recommended compression is also there. If you are using this, around 50 to 80% compression will be done. And one more option is there, less compression. If you want to compress it little only, you can use this less compression. And by default, this will be set to recommended compression. If you are not changing this, it will be in recommended compression. Anyways, if you want to add file, you can add file by clicking this plus button and you can add file. Anyways, to compress this PDF file, down here you can see compress PDF option. Click on this compress PDF. Now compression will be completed within few seconds. Now here you can see 49.37 KB file is converted to 11.19 KB. That means 78% compression is done. If you want to compress it less or more, you can select different option and compress it like this. Anyways, after PDF compression is completed, here you can see download compressed PDF option. Click on this download compressed PDF. After that, click on download. Now that file will be downloaded and I am opening that file. You can see that file here. And one important thing is that there is no watermark of this website. So you can use this PDF file wherever you want. So this way you can compress PDF file easily in your smartphone or system. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.